is that old-fashioned cake we all loved and still love today, and which I believe should be preserved. Place all ingredients around you for easy access and faster preparation. I'll finish some small tasks here and then begin preparation. I'll grind 100 grams of sugar. Soak 100 grams of raisins in 100 milliliters of rum. I'll drain the rum later. If you don't like rum, you can skip this step. If you don't like raisins, you don't have to add them, but the recipe calls for it. So I'm following it, and the cake tastes different when the rum soaks. Rum soaks into raisins when raisins soak in rum. Take a large bowl. Put in 250 grams of softened margarine or butter. Usually it was margarine. I don't remember butter being used. Correct me if I'm wrong. Now add the 100 grams of powdered sugar and mix everything together. To the creamed margarine and sugar, add 200 grams of walnuts. It should be 100 grams ground, 100 grams chopped. Since I always chop them too coarsely and don't want that, this time I blended them to get both fine and coarse pieces. Now mix everything together again. Now we add chocolate, but I need to chop it first. I'll chop 200 grams of chocolate. One recipe says 200 grams dark chocolate. Another says 100 grams dark chocolate. A third says 100 dark, 100 white. So I chose 100 dark, 100 white. Forgive me if I'm wrong. Now I'll show you the difference between quality dark chocolate and lower quality. Here it is. This one I just chopped. The knife goes through it like butter. That's low quality dark chocolate with 11% cocoa. This one has 60% cocoa. I think you can already see the difference. Then mix everything together. After mixing, add 300 grams of crushed biscuits and 300 grams of broken biscuits. I'll add the raisins too, but first drain them. Adding raisins. Measuring 500 milliliters of carbonated orange soda. It should be Jupi, but since I can't find that, I'll use Fanta. Pour in the soda and mix everything. Now the patient part. Feel free to use a bigger bowl. For videos, I always use this nice one to be proper. Then I spend half an hour mixing instead of 5 minutes. But okay. Making an old-fashioned plasma cake, so using an old-fashioned tray. This is my mother-in-law's tray that's seen countless cakes. Place the ring. Then add the whole mixture. You can shape it by hand if you don't have a ring. That's how it was done before. But today the meringue makes it much easier. I recommend this cake size only for family gatherings. For family, meaning no more than 6 to 7 people, because you'll devour it in one go. For birthdays, double the recipe, definitely. Press it down well so there are no air pockets when we slice it later. Smooth the top and refrigerate until well chilled. Then decorate as you like. For decoration, I melted 70 grams dark chocolate with 2 tablespoons oil and 3 tablespoons milk. I add milk so the chocolate stays soft when I drizzle it on the cake. Here I'll whip 200 milliliters of whipping cream. When I removed the ring, I saw the cake was quite low. So I reshaped it by hand. Just pressed it slightly to add some height.